In this video, you'll learn how to manage party bookings in Venue Manager. Let's imagine a guest has called you up and they want to make changes to their booking. They want to know how many partygoers have signed a waiver. They want to change the number of guests from 15 to 20. And they want to update their inclusions or add more items. The easiest way to find a party booking is by using the search icon at the top left of the page. You can search for the booking holder's name, the booking name, or the booking ID. Selecting the booking will then open it and make it available to edit. For example, if you want to add more guests, you can update the quantity. Because some parties have conditional inclusions, such as requiring a pizza for every 5 guests, you may also need to update inclusions. If you want to update existing inclusions, you can also do that as well. To see how many guests have signed a waiver already, look to the top of the booking, where you can see a high-level view of how many guests have signed. You can also select the Document tab and see all waiver holders that are connected to the booking. Finally, if you want to add more items to a booking, like an extra birthday cake or shirt, you can do that by selecting Availabilities, ensuring the correct date is selected. Then, select Products from the filter. Select Apply and Search. You can then add each item and save the booking. We recommend resending the confirmation email anytime you make changes to a booking. You can do this by selecting the 3 dots menu at the top of the Bookings page and selecting Send Confirmation Email.